The hunter becomes the hunted, Awesome!
We've come a long way.
Yeah, I tried to beat him up even though he's the size of a peanut. He's probably going to shoot first and ask questions later, and they're not going to be able to answer his questions because they'll be dead!
You?
Hey, why are you asking about my lion? How many lions do you need?
What? No, I was
Don't
just...
what? No, I was just me. You've had your eye on the blue lion from day one.
Well, yeah. It's the first one we found.
The blue lion's with me, and we're very happy together. Very happy! What the heck do you think you're doing?
Allura said there's a pool. I'm gonna go check it out. What do you think you're doing?
Same thing.
Look, you stay on one side of the pool, and I'll stay on the other, and we'll be far, far away from each other. Very far away. It's right, then left. You're off.
You're off and shoving too hard.
You're not shoving hard enough.
I should be at the pool right now.
Would you stop whining? Look.
The name's Lance?
Make yourself feel better. After getting us stuck on the other side of a wormhole.
I'll stick you in a wormhole! What do you know, mullet?
We're staying. Hey, guys, stop! Hey, she's right.
I actually don't hate you right now.
Lance, are you okay?
We did it. We are a good team.
What was that noise? What was that noise?
Laser gun.
I had a bonding moment. I cradled you in my arms. Yeah! Hey, Lance, I got your lion back.
Thank you, Keith. Now can you come and unchain me?
What's that? You're cutting out. I can't hear you.
All the stuff in my brain stored in a giant ship.
The amount of information in your brain could be stored in a paper airplane.
Oh yeah? Well, the amount of information you have, Keith, could be...
Yeah?
It's less than what I have. I love you. I love you.
Okay.